Hello, dear viewers, dear subscribers, friends and family. How are you all doing? I am so happy to see you. I thank you all for keeping up with me. I thank you all for subscribing. I thank you all for supporting me. I'm Richmond Overcomer, and I'm so happy to see you. And if you are saying, "Yo, Rich, I like your channel. I like your motivation. You have been doing for these past days or past years," then give me one of these and tell me about in a comment section below how you think about my video qualities and how you think about my messages. Is there something we can work on together to adjust these videos and so on, or in the future videos to come? Let me know. So let's talk about today's topic: fixing how you think in your mindset. Number one, we only say luck comes once, but actually the truth is luck doesn't have time and set date. It can happen twice, it can happen thrice, it can happen a lot of time in a day. It doesn't only come once. Because you have received something good once and don't receive at all doesn't mean it happened once. It can happen, it can repeat itself a lot of time in a one day. And number two, we say that we are ahead of our good days. Our good days are in the past. We had good days and it will never come back again. Such good days will never happen again. You are wrong. God always give you back what you have lost. If you lost something, it doesn't mean God has removed it or you have lost it. Just like Job, you know the story of Job in the Bible. Job has lost all his possessions and his health, but has received at the end double back. So you shall receive your double portion back. Whether it is your relationship you had before, you have lost it. God will remember you one day and He will bless you someone even better than that relationship. If it's the car you have lost, God will bless you the better car than the one you've lost. So we must fix that idea. Is now I'm going back to time and chances again. Almost. I don't know. Maybe part 4 is mingling with this video, but anyway, uh, bear with me. Bear with me. It's interesting. Yeah. So that is what I'm saying. You can lose something, but it doesn't mean you've lost it forever. Something better than that is coming. When you lost someone, someone better is coming than that person. Or I don't mean the person you have lost was not better. I just mean what you will learn from that person is better than is way better is what I'm saying. And don't take me wrong, because I'm not trying to judge anyone, or I'm not trying to say person was wrong or so. I'm just saying how meta is going. In the possessions, if you lost your old possessions that were better, maybe the moments were better, don't worry, even better moments are coming. The moments you will look back and say, wow, this moment is better than the previous one I was having. It's like that and so on. It will just upgrade. So stay tuned for more. Even in the job, if you lost your old job, you will get a better job than that one. If you lose your education, you will get a better education. Don't give up yet. And that is how to fix our mindset. Instead of thinking we are ahead of our good days are gone and luck only happened once. Okay, so stay tuned for more and subscribe for more. And I hope to see you again. And thank you once more. Let others subscribe that didn't watch my videos, and let them stay tuned so they cannot miss out. And give me one of these if you like my videos, and let me know how did you enjoy it and how far is our journey in this channel. And stay blessed, stay safe, keep on sharing, let others hear.